if bomzonda umhleka makagula kanje makashona uzohleka bani, which means you won't laugh anymore when. Because into beyenza ukuthi uhleke naye ishonile. Esinye situation uyazilethela wena by shaking the other person when they are in danger. Wabona, uyamhleka, you make laugh or whatever, you find joy through that. Wabona, lwena ditlaetsahala so that other people that are like you can find joy. Understand?
Yeah, I get you.
Yeah, mangabe into yama Nigerians sis njengobusho uzophola kusho ukuthi it's man made, yabo, kusho ukuthi uzophola, uNkulunkulu khona abantu abazokusiza, abazosetshenziswa uNkulunkulu abathumele kuwe, ungalahli ithemba. We know God. How can you believe in something that you know? So believe it's something that is created.
Yes.
Right.
So would you say it takes you away from knowing?
It takes you away from the reality, in fact.
Yes.
Yeah. The reality. Because if you don't know, the reality is not there. You have to make research. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed, #1 educational speak in the whole world is your host with the most. Thank you very much, Bafethu Nyabonga. First and foremost, kuma subscribers wethu bafethu, nani laba bangenayo ngithi welcome home. You are not lost. Usendaweni right bafethu, usendaweni right, and ngiyabonga kakhulu. I say shout out to amabhakaniya. Ngibonile ukuthi niwinile league bafethu, angeke sikhulume kakhulu sithi nje ileague seyiseduze. I want to tell amakhosi ukuthi ileague bafethu seyila next door. Angeke nisashaya ama kilometers nigibele N1 nethi nilande league. So celebrating namabhakaniya. Thank you siyabonga bafethu, thank you siyabonga. Sobonana next season mabhakaniya. Ninga relax. Keep up the momentum. Thank you very much. And futhi yabona ibhakaniya ne Chiefs ne Sundowns masisebenza kanzima. Ngine hope yokuthi isquad sethu sizoqina bafethu national. Thank you siyabonga bafethu, sibonga kakhulu. Hey, ngibona enye video engithosayo la, so it made me think ngabo my sisters bethu, yabo. But ke abo my sisters bethu ngibonile ukuthi akusukuthi they are wrong entirely, yabona, abekho wrong. Ngibone lo sisi lo una 31 years, sizwile sonke istory sakhe, uyabona. But ke into engibonile la, we know bafethu ukuthi kune sickness yakudala enjalo, weba umntwana we7 years uzomthola khulile ngathi una 90 years, yabo. But there is no cure for leyo nto njengoba basho, yabo. So la ku sisters wami la ukuthi nje yena lento leyo uyisuse ku context yokuthi uyithole ku boyfriend, and that boyfriend is a Nigerian guy, and immediately usisi maka find out ukuthi ngathi khona into wrong, wathi reach out kule out azange samthola. So that is why usisi athi uyithathe kuma Nigerian, and sesiyaqabanga ukuthi mhlambe lezi zinto lezi zokuthi omunye umuntu usebenzisa lento kuthiwa thatha lento ayinabungozi, yabo. But ke kumele sibheke namanye ama possibilities, yabo, ukuthi mhlambe isickness nje le phatha abanye, yabo. Just nje noye wajola ne Nigerian and waba frustrated. Khumbula maqala uvelelwa umhlola ugula uba frustrated, ngiyam understand la buya khona. So mina ngizothi nje kuye ngiyabona khona abamhlekayo khona abayenzani sinama opinion yabo but mina ngizothi nje kuye mangabe into yama Nigerians sis njengoba usho uzophola kusho ukuthi it's man made yabo kusho ukuthi uzophola uNkulunkulu khona abantu abazokusiza abazosetshenziswa uNkulunkulu abathumele kuwe ungalahli ithemba but if ile ya sickness leyana engana cure kusho ukuthi mntana sekhaya kuzomela wamukele yabo until kutholakala i-cure until labo doctor ngiyathemba ukuthi ama scientists asebenza kanzima every day ukuthi bathole i-cure because you are not the first probably not the last angithi ngishela abanye abantu but bese ngikhoza laba abahlekayo ukuthi hey bafethu ezinye izinto asihlekwa ungasho wena ukuthi uthanda ukuhleka hey mina ngithanda ukuhleka but ezinye izinto asihlekwa mntana sekhaya siyabonga bafethu siyabonga but ke ake ngisho le ngoba usisi bekakhuluma ngama Nigerians ake singabheki kuma Nigerians kuphela sibheke ku-Africa as a country including South Africa mina ngithanda ukusho ukuthi ngoba ngihlala la eSouth Africa I saw ukuthi eSouth Africa sinama habit wethu sinama cultures wethu although si different ngama language yabona but sinama cultures wethu the way senze izinto ngakhona ngawayenza ama examples yabo ukuthi mhlambe endleleni mawuhamba so yabo angeke uphume phakathi kwabantu abahamba abayi2 wena we1 ozobasha phakathi ubanqamule phakathi you don't do that as a South African it doesn't matter you khuluma isishangane or ukhuluma isivenda or isiZulu but unaleyo nto mawuyi South African yabo and enye into futhi please listen to this nge-open mind bafethu ningayithathi kabi abomama basemzansi eSouth Africa abahlale bavule inyawo kanje njengamadoda mhlambe understand abahlale bavule inyawo kanje angazi why but bekwala abanye abomama angithi abogogo nabomama bethu since bayiphikisa lento le intanga zami zingayifakaza zabafazi ukuthi since abogogo bathi intombazana ayihlale ivule inyawo intombazana ihlala ivala inyawo mayihlala phansi ivala inyawo yabo so mawuthi ubheka kwamanye ama country angazi or Zimbabwean but I saw Zimbabweans I saw Nigerian ladies I saw Somalian ladies yabona mabahlala they don't mind ukuthi bahlale bavule inyawo thina la South Africa yasiyenze leyo nto so i-example yami yama habit so maybe nangama culture singavumelana ukuthi it's different although somewhere somehow le kude sengahlangana uthola ukuthi nemani kahle kahle beyiwani iqala kudala lento yabona but now bese ngikhulumela lento ukuthi even nokuthandana I can make an example in South Africa if you are a Zulu lady and then you are getting married to a Venda guy kunezinto eziningi ongazazi mawufika kuma Venda uthi kanti culture yenza kanje that is why abo sisibethu abanye bala but no I'm going home uyangithola because la akudliwa umemnyango mawumfazi mara mhlambe bona ngesiXhosa bekunganandaba bebayenza uyabona lezi zinto ezinjalo kunezinto esingafani ngazo nathi singama South Africans ngama languages wethu but kunezinto esizenza sonke sesisonke together we agree on one thing in South Africa hence ngiyenza ama examples wami bafethu yabo so mawumuntu umama uzothandana nomuntu wakwenye country i-risk wazi ukuthi uthatha i-risk enkulu I'm not saying you are wrong but you must know many things khumbula ukuthi take time to know her this word take time to know her it doesn't work only on ladies even nama lady kumele athathe isikhathi sakhe azi le ndoda ayishadayo it goes two ways the words take time to know her but to ladies it will be take time to know him ungayi ngokuthi uyangazi nje ngijayele ukugqoka ihembe le brown ngidlula la hey the way ngokugqokela ngakhona yabona ngoba nginemali so you think I can make your life better as well khona abantu abashadwa abantu abanemali abayithande bayazisola bebayaphi yabona because now le mali le eyalomuntu and lo muntu yena une character zakhe unama habit wakhe unama attitude wakhe learn those first the characters your attitude the morals learn those first before you can commit and say baby I love you because once you say I love you sicommit sizoyenza sex and masenza sex awungazi kahle kahle that is why usiswa manje akhala ngale ndoda leya I don't blame her even if it's not that guy I don't blame her for saying it's that guy unalento engikhulumayo yokuthi we have different habits we do things different now she went far to Nigeria she knew she's going far she knew she's going far even before but now bafethu umuntu masekagula asisakhuluma ukuthi simhleke you understand my brother asisakhuluma ukuthi simhleke umuntu masekagula if bomzonda umhleka makagula kanje makashona uzohleka bani which means you won't laugh anymore when because into beyenza ukuthi uhleke naye ishonile or so uzofunana nomunye manje uzomhleka uzofunana nomunye no mina I go by saying I don't want my enemies or my competition in whatever that I do. I don't want them sick. I don't want them dead. Because they keep me moving, guys. They keep me moving. I can't stop people from criticizing me. But I must roll with it. I must find a way to work around it. I'm smart. I'm like God. Well, I don't have to fight. But I will work around it. Keep Hilelion. Keep Hilagari criticism. Here I am. I'm still I laugh because of them. What if they are not there anymore? What is gonna push me? Because I make it a habit that nadi criticism gets on a petrol yaka. Nadi hatred gets on a petrol yaka. Why? Because I didn't invite anyone to hate me. And I don't intend to invite anyone to hate me. And I don't do bad to people. Hence I'm saying everyone that I did bad, enjoy it. Otherwise not it's itlo khakhatha itlo bola wena ke kwale ba ka siburu ba re dikwale yena wa understand ba ka bane the next person no mo hitang ha tsebe they are living their lives wena ka mo mo shebile every movement untsolla one child so bafethu a re tsebeng more yang not only ko di boyfriending or ko di girlfriending everything what you taste ko yante tlamelo mamelekelelo ya hao batho ba khalene ba re letswalo ke modisa wa hao abo uvalo lakho ile lezokusindisa learn to listen to it because most of us abantu abadala bazange basifundise leyo nto why because now they grow up angry with regrets and everything they were frustrated lebona wabona so ama ladies wami nama gents ningabe frustrated situation yabo and esinye situation uyazilethela wena by shaking the other person when they are in danger wabona uyamhleka you make laugh or whatever you find joy through that wabona lena ditlaetsahala so that other people that are like you can find joy.
Yes.
Understand?
Yeah, I get you.
Yeah. So be careful, guys. And how I believe now, even my sister, or she felt it, or something is off here.
I shouldn't be doing that.
If it's that guy, if it's that guy, because there is a possibility as well.
Yeah.
Or what? Because there are many things that she don't tell us,
Yes.
but she knows. Or what? So on that grounds, she's saying is that guy.
Right.
You understand? But none se ke re fela batho le bo medi kaofela. Ba se ke ba re ke only the Nigerians. Even a South African guy can give you exactly that.
Yeah.
Or what? Even a South African guy can give you worse than this.
Yes.
Worse than this. With snakes visibly moving all over your body. South African guy can give you that. Because kaofela se re rwala, sonke se athwala manje. People are learning, you know.
It's an African thing.
It's an African thing. You understand? It's an African thing. Why what? So hence nalaba bathwele niyabona always umuntu akekho ovela kuma podcast athi hey mina ngiyahamba Friday ngiyothwala. Ngi-wrong or ngi-right ngitsheleni. No one does that. But uzozwa nje ukuthi isitholo siyangihlupha la. Hey isitholo siqeda abantwana bami. Hey isitholo sesifuna nomama wami. You know those things. Yeah. Basitshela after.
After, yeah.
But before abasitsheli because they are gunning for good life.
Yes.
Wabona?
And they don't want to
They made them to believe or after this my life will never be the same again. Only to find it's true. It will never be the same. Hence they are crying. They are crying because their life is not the same.
Yes.
And unfortunately, it's forever. It's forever.
Yes.
Wayibona my brother. Now I say if Stwala, let us go to the good Inyangas, good prophets, good pastors. We will feel. Let us feel them. No one has to say fire, fire before you can see the Son of God. We are all sons of God after all.
Exactly.
We are all sons of God. There is no my Father in spirit. Hence God said, don't pray or believe in dolls or snakes under the water, the deep waters, or what on top of the mountain. They say God says that. One thought. But Bona, they come with another dolly, a better one, a dolly like us now, people. Bariki Yoki Jesus. He's not living.
Yeah.
He's a dolly.
Definitely.
He's a dolly. Same like my stone. I can take my stone and put it there and pray that stone and believe in that stone. That is why they say believe in Jesus. Because he was not there.
Yes.
Something new. That is why we are taught to believe in him.
Yes.
One understand, my brother. So if we were meant to believe in anything, it's ourselves. It's to ourselves, my brother.
Yes.
Because, as I said, we are God. So people that are saying you must look for God, they are saying, and like, look for yourself.
Yes. Outside of yourself.
Yeah. Take an example like this. Let me say you are saying, hey, Maprapa, you know what is going to happen? I won't find Appa. But to Appa
Yes. But you won't know that.
But I don't know. I will still say, I'm told. You Appa, but then I won't find him because I won't see him with my naked eyes. Or here is Appa. Because Appa is me.
Yes.
I don't have to go and say, hey, you are my Father in spirit. But you are physical
Yes.
at the same time.
Yes.
My mother in spirit. Onekama.
Yes.
But I can say it's my mother in spirit. How so? Which means you are replacing God now. Only God in spirit for us guys.
Yes.
God is a woman, God is a man, God is a boy, God is a daughter, a girl, God is everyone. God is everything. He's an animal as well. Everything.
As well.
He's a stone as well. So in terms of belief, we don't have to believe in God.
Yeah.
Because we know God.
Yes.
We know God. How can you believe in something that you know?
Mm.
So believe. It's something that is created.
Yes.
Right?
So would you say it takes you away from knowing?
It takes you away from the reality, in fact.
Yes.
Yeah. The reality.
Mm.
Because if you don't know, the reality is not there.
Mm.
You have to make research.
Yes.
Yes. Which means you don't know.
Mm.
Because there is a research after.
Mm.
What are you researching? God.
Mm.
Research everything but not God, man.
Right.
Because God is here. As I'm looking at you, my brother.
Yes.
These people all that are listening to me now are God. My brother. Because God can even help me through Bona.
Yes.
Through people. He's using people. Even the devil, as I said to the last video, right?
Yes, yes.
Even devil is using people. Even God is using people. That is why also abantu bathi yo Satan eqobo lwakhe, which means when sent to wrong in front of her. The West. One thought. So even to go to God. But in most cases, but I said they are scared to praise Lord, their God. If kimuthusa, kimufa, maybe I can get example, kimuthusa ka something. You know, you are my brother, I love you. Thanks God.
Thank you, God.
Thank you, God. Looking at me.
Yes.
Or are you unalibumudimo?
Yes.
Inside you. It's hard to say abantu bayisho lento. They become shy. You understand? So Buffett, to open the third eye.
Yes.
Eye. To open the God in you. To open the knowledge in you. Because you always know.
Yes.
It's just that we were told that we don't know.
Yes.
But we have to learn. So until we lost that track, or how are we aligning ourselves with knowledge? One told, because they told us, no, you must go through church, you must go through Jesus, you must go through, only to find you can go by yourself there.
Yes.
You understand, my brother?
Or you're already there.
Or you are already there. One told, my brother. So I just want everyone, especially our sisters, because today I'm concentrating on our sisters because of this sister. Yeah, it's not good, man. It's not good. We must all pray for her. But now I'm saying, whether we are praying or not, as long as it's that guy of Nigeria, she's going to be healed. God is going to come to her. She's going to be healed. But if it's the disease that we know, we can only accept.
Yes.
And hoping for the doctors to get medication quickly for our next generations.
Yes.
Thank you very much. I think we are good, my brother. Don't you have anything to say, though?
I'm good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're good?
Yeah,
are you sure?
Yes, I'm good. I'm good.
Thank you very much, Buffett. Hey, Buffett, supportane na incwadi yethu. Because everything that we are saying, it will make sense here. If you find this book, Finding the Self, a guide to a spiritual growth, you know, yeah. O tla kopantsha di-dot because ntho e ngata bafethu ngeke siqeda, but now we are trying to relefe ntho e ngata per show. Yes, per show. Hence I'm saying they must look at this book and order it. Kenya mo tlase fela. Kenya fela mo tlase ngolo re bafethu kuhambani ngencwadi ngiyayifuna ini izofika kuwe. You know technology ingichaza kabi technology. As long as we are using it in a good way.
Yeah, productively.
Thank you very much. Buffett, Sunday. So, siyabonga.